Hi, Piper and Riker. Papa's going to read you a book. It's called Little Blue Truck. You can see blue truck here. There's all kinds of animals in it. Look, there's a frog driving the truck. That's silly. I see a pig and a horse and a little bird and a rooster and a goose and a horse and sheep and a goat. I think that's all of them. Let's see what they're up to. I see the blue truck. It says, horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. And there's some birds flying out over a little pond. And Bailey's singing in the background. Little blue truck came down the road. Beep, said the blue to a big green toad. There's a toad that was driving earlier. This says toad crossing. That's silly. There's a toad over here and another one over here. And a bluebird up there. Toad said croak and wrinkled an eye when little blue truck went rolling by. I bet you know what this is, even when he's all brown like that. There's a cow and a sheep. Sheep said baa. Cow said moo. Oink said a piggy. Beep said blue. And Bailey cried. There's a truck going down the road. Cluck, said the chicken, and her chick said peep. Ma, said the goat. Blue said beep. Neigh, said the horse. Quack, said the duck. Beep, said the friendly little blue truck. I see all these animals all over here. They're all spread out. There's a goat and the horse and the duck. The blue truck is very busy. Uh-oh. There's a big yellow truck. Honk! Yelled the dump truck, coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. He's not very nice, is he? He's a busy truck. They get the ducks, got to get out of the way. There goes the truck, he's going fast. Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle, then he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. Oh no. All the animals are watching. And they saw him get stuck. He wasn't being very nice, was he? There's a truck stuck in the mud. He got mud all over it. Look at that. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard. Or nobody cared. They're all looking the other way. They act like they don't hear. The truck's sad now because he got stuck in the mud. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue, like the dump, were both stuck tight. Look at that Blue. He was trying to help that big truck. And he got stuck in the mud too. Help, 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 cried the little blue truck. Beep, beep, beep. I'm stuck and I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. So here they're going to help their friend. There's the sheep and the cow and the pig. And they're going to help their friend, the blue truck. Because he's stuck. Here comes the horse. And there's the rooster, the chicken. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumping over the fence, of course. There's the goat jumping right over the fence. And here's a sheep and a pig and a cow. Look at the cow's pushing with her head. The hen came flapping with the cluck and the duck, with the chick and the duck. And everybody pushed the little blue truck. So they're all helping. Head to head and rump to rump, they all push Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? Look at him. He's got big muscles. Bet Riker, you can show your daddy and mommy your muscles. All together, 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3. That's how old Riker is going to be when he reads this for the first time. One last push, and the trucks were free. There they are. They got out of the mud. Yay! All the animals are happy because they helped get them out of the mud. Even the big truck. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. It's good to remember to help each other. Like you can help Mommy and Daddy, and you can help Piper. Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride. Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Look at, they're all getting inside of the, look at, they're all covered with mud. Those silly animals. Oink, quack, baa, moo, cluck, peep. Neigh, croak, ma. They're all talking when they got in Blue. And that's where the toad's driving. Look at him. And there goes the big truck. See the little toad in there? He's going to drive the truck. That's a silly toad. I don't know how they could drive trucks. Beep, beep, beep. And they're off down the road. All right, guys, we love you. I hope you enjoyed the book. The big blue truck, the little blue truck. Bye.